to you. You can track things like PO number.
All right, I see it. You're good.
All right, so here now we are looking at a quote, the enterprise quote, with 4 different products on it. If I click the little blue drop down up here, I have some more options down here, specifically XperiDo Quote and XperiDo Quick Document. With XperiDo Quick Document, I can simply generate a document right here within Sugar. I'm going to go ahead and click on XperiDo Document to take us through the whole process to show all the functionality that XperiDo can give us. So now we're going out to the XperiDo servers where it's pulling in data from the CRM system and going to generate my document for me. I have to first select a template in my wizard here, and within XperiDo you can have any number of templates you want, and you can assign those templates to specific people. So if you have people on a specific team, maybe they have one quote, and then you have people on another team and they have a quote that looks completely different. And of course you don't have to just do quotes, you can do this against any module. Maybe it's work logs against cases you want to print out to take with you to an on-site visit. So I'm going to go ahead and select my template here. I have a nice preview over here of what that might look like. I click Next Steps here, and I have different document properties. I can give it a document name. I could pull in fields from my quote or any related module. So I could have this say Enterprise Quote for Account Technology Advisors for Primary Contact Justin Kielthow if I wanted to, and have it automatically spell all that out. I can choose a Save As format, PDF, or document, and there's a whole lot of other formats as well, everything from HTML to XML. And it supports multiple languages if I want to. I'm going to go ahead and just click Next here to see some output parameters. Of course, I want to be able to download it once I'm done, but I can also have it automatically log that file, whether it's a PDF or a document, back to Sugar. I can give it a subject. Description, do I want to include that generated file against the quote we were just looking at? Do I want to send it to the printer? Do I want to automatically email it to somebody? So I could have it automatically pre-populated to send an email from my user account to the contact that was selected on that quote with a specific subject, with a specific message, and different actions, whether I want to save it as draft or ready to send. And of course, over here under Deliver, we can also add an e-signature to send it directly to DocuSign if you wanted to go that route. I'm going to go ahead and generate this document. And then again, it's pulling a lot of data out of Sugar to the XperiDo servers and generating that document. So it can take a little longer than just running it directly within Sugar, but I think the results are well worth it. So now it says my document has been generated, and I can go ahead and download it here. Open up that PDF. We have something that looks somewhat similar to the one that was generated out of Sugar that we saw previously. We have our quote information up here. It automatically pulled in who my salesperson is, the valid until date, purchase order number, payment terms, bill to, ship to, looped through those products to add them here, brought in all of these subtotals. But the power of XperiDo really comes in, the templates are built in Microsoft Word, which we'll see in a little minute. So you can add page breaks. I could have filtered these records to maybe I only want to include records where there's a part number. I could sort these records by any field in the system, whether it's how you have them sorted in Sugar, or maybe you want to sort them by quantity or price. And you can also have conditional text and values. So for example, if I include widget A as a product, I automatically want to append a page to the end of this quote with a picture of widget A. Or for example, maybe I want to have a page break here on my quote and include all of the contacts that might be related to this account. So I'm traveling from my quote up to the related billing account and then down to the related contacts, looping through those and including those here. So you can really traverse relationships and do a lot of cool things. Or one of our customers said every time a quote is generated, we want to append, I previously said, a picture of some of the products, or you can append a picture of the guy who generated it. So all of that conditional formatting is really cool. And let's just really quickly bring up Word so you can kind of see how that works. So we're looking at Word right now. Right, Denise?
Yes.
Awesome. We're looking at Word here. Over here in my right column, you can see I have an XperiDo window. I can see my entire data set, everything from my quote to the related accounts. I can even keep traversing down these relationships to open my account to get down to the contact that is related to that account.